Hey everyone, today I want to introduce the Wright Patt Credit Union website, and as you see I am at vpcu.coop website now, and as you see it's main page, it's not a login page. If you want to log in your account or create a membership of Wright Patt Credit Union, you need to click the login button. It is on the right top of the page as you see. So I click it now, and as you see, it's sorry, a small window open, and it is different from other standard login pages. And if I click somewhere else, it closes. So as you see, there is a login page, a small login page. So you need to type your information here, and you need to type your password. But if you don't have an account Wright Patt on Wright Patt Credit Union, so you need to click the new user button, register here button here. But if you have already a member of Wright Patt Credit Union, you need to type this white blanks. And but if you forget your user ID or password, you must click forget your user ID or password button. Okay, let's talk about the website of Wright Patt Credit Union. As you see, it's really simple to use, and there are many services here. There are checking accounts, saving accounts, health saving accounts, credit cards, student loans, mortgages, loans, personal loans, and retirement solutions. So if you see all of the services that you are interested in, I think it's really a good website, and it's really easy to use and really readable website. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please share and make comments on my videos. See you, bye.